Thinking of downsizing or selling your home, but not sure how to get started? In this video, I'm sharing the journey of my recent clients who went from feeling overwhelmed to overjoyed. Our first action item was to get home inspections done. My contractors came in, fixed a few things around the house, and who doesn't love a fresh coat of paint? Along came the stagers, and it was so much fun to watch the house be transformed. The efforts did not go unnoticed. The sellers truly appreciated the transformation. My next job was to focus on marketing. Our goal was to ensure the property gets maximum exposure. We started with professional photography and videography, even added a 3D virtual tour. We leveraged social media platforms. We created targeted ads. We sent out personalized email campaigns to our database. We even hosted an exclusive preview for our local agents, and of course, a twilight tour for our beloved neighbors. The result? We got 3 great offers. I helped my clients pick the best one, and we closed in only 21 days. If you're ready for results like this, then let's connect.